Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will fine. Welcome to the course of web development provided by JS Academy. Here we will start from basics to advanced. In this course we will learn about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is a basic building block of any web development. It is the first part of the video, so please like the channel, subscribe the channel and please hit on the bell icon so that you will get the notification in future of this course. Here we will learn all the skill of that a beginner need to be a web developer. After this course you will be able to build a fast and a responsive website. Responsive in the sense we will learn about media queries, and here everything is start from scratch. It is a small and introduction video. In this video we will just see that how to set up our environment and how to write HTML code, what the interface, how to add headings, what are the heading, what type of heading, what is paragraph tag, what are the element that is used in the HTML. So before wasting our time, let's start. So first of all, set up our environment. So before setting, open your browser and type a VS Code. On the first link, click on the first link that will take to the Visual Studio official website. On the right hand corner, you will get a download option. Click on that, and as per your operating system specification, download it from here for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac. Okay, after downloading, you will get this type of interface. See, this is your interface. There are many extension that Visual Studio provide us. That is, some are like Prettier. Install it, and VS Code icons. VS VS Code icons. Here VS Code icons. Install it also. Yeah, that is here. Here it will help you to differentiate between folder and the file and the images, HTML elements, CSS element, and JavaScript elements. After installing, first of all you need to make a folder. Create a folder name basics. I'm writing the name basic. You can choose by yourself that what you name. So open it in VS Code. After making folder, here you can get a new file right here. That the first we are making first dot html. If you are writing html code, then you have to write dot html. If you are writing css, making css file, we will teach later. The so For HTML, you have to write the extension .html. After writing, click enter, and you will get the first .html page. Okay. So, what are the syntax of writing HTML, and what are the shortcut that provided by VS Code? Click Shift plus exclamation mark. You will get the option. Click enter, and this is your syntax. Doc type. What is this doc type? Doc type is nothing but it is a version of HTML. We are using HTML5 version, and HTML is a root tag. Head tag is used for headings that are uh, ha- top of the website. For body tag, the main tag is body tag. Everything which you want to display on the website, you have to write in the body tag. We will use only body tag for writing anything, editing anything on the website. Lang English means you are telling to the website that we are using English language, and meta tag we will talk about it later. So first of all, let's write anything. H1 tag. These are the tag. Okay, these are the tag. Right here. Hi, I wanna to be a web developer. Okay, save it. Control S. And before saving, I also want to say please install live server, because it will take to the website directly. Here you will get the option after installing. Click on that and directly run to the browser. No need to save it, no need to that you have to copy that path, paste that path on the browser. No need to anything. Just click on the live server and you will get the your answer. So let's change. First of all, see the title. That what is the title? Okay. Here you are getting document. Let's change that by writing on the title. We can write here basics. Save it, and after saving, just go to the browser. Here, automatic change. No need to copy that path, then again paste it, then refresh it. No need to anything. Just change there, save there, and you will get your browser change. So let's write something else. Paragraph. So what is that for lorem 5? See, what is this? This is the dummy text provided by VS Code, provided by HTML, then provided by these are, you can take it easily dummy text. Just write lorem, and how many text you words you want. Just write the number, and you will get the word. Okay. Control plus S. Go to the browser and see the difference between you are seeing that hi I want to be a web developer. It is bold and good, but it is not bold. The difference is that it is a paragraph. P tag is used for paragraph, and H1 is the heading tag. There are six type of heading tag HTML providers. So let's see that what are that. Yeah, let's change the number to here 2 3 4. I'm just I'm just saving it. Going to the browser, see the difference between H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5 and H6. This is the basic difference between H1, H2, H5, H6. This you will write your HTML code. We will see later that how we there are many elements, there are many tags that is used in the HTML. So be with us, subscribe the channel, like the channel, and access this playlist. This is the first video of our HTML tutorials first video. So please like the channel, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification of our video.